Hello everyone, welcome to Happy English Kids. Unit 3, Numbers and Colors. Oranges, oranges, 5 oranges. What color are the oranges? The oranges are orange. How many oranges? There are 5 oranges. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 oranges. Pigs, pigs, 6 pigs. What color are the pigs? The pigs are pink. How many pigs? There are 6 pigs. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pigs.